Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to upload an existing watch list to Tradingview. Alright, so the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account on Tradingview. The first thing I'd like to do is to launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com. And that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text. And that is how to upload an existing watch list to Tradingview chart. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open up the chart for any market. So head over to market and open up a market from here, or you can use the search bar to open any market. I have my Tesla chart open already. So this is it. Now for me to be able to upload an existing watch list that is not available on the watch list created by Tradingview, this is what I'm going to do. So from this chat window, head over to the top right corner. We have watch list details and news. That, of course, is the first icon that is shown there. Now, over here, you have watch list and you have this drop down icon. Now, click on that. That takes you right into this window where you have my watch list. And if you scroll the way down, you have create new list and you have import list. So all you need to do right here is to click on import list. And once you click on import list, then you'll be able to import any watch list that is not available on Tradingview. Now remember, for you to do this, you need to subscribe to any of the plans, which include Essential, Plus, and Premium. Using the basic plan does not allow you to use this feature. Alright, so that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.